Hello everyone. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the future of electric cars. The European Union has passed a law requiring smartphones sold in the EU to have removable batteries by 2027. The law aims to promote battery sustainability and states that batteries in portable devices should be easily removable and replaceable. This provides manufacturers with a grace period to redesign their products accordingly. Just like the evolution of phones from integrated to removable batteries, we ponder the possibility of a similar shift in the automotive industry. Welcome to our video, Revolutionary Shift Ahead. Will electric cars follow the phone's footsteps? Integrated to swappable batteries. Removable phone batteries have revolutionized smartphones, offering convenience, flexibility, and reduced electronic waste. Users can easily swap out depleted batteries for fully charged ones, ensuring uninterrupted usage. It also allows for portable power solutions and extends the lifespan of devices. Overall, removable phone batteries have transformed the smartphone landscape. As electric cars become more popular, the need for a revolutionary change arises due to their integrated battery systems. Swappable battery solutions could address the challenges of limited range and lengthy charging times, offering a more convenient and seamless driving experience. This shift would require infrastructure development and industry collaboration, but it holds the potential to reshape the future of electric cars. Imagine a future where swapping electric vehicle batteries becomes the norm, providing drivers with a hassle-free charging experience. Let's delve into the necessity of battery replacement. Just like phone batteries, electric vehicle batteries gradually lose capacity over time. Electric vehicle batteries gradually lose capacity over time due to factors like temperature and charging patterns. The exact time frame for significant capacity loss varies, but manufacturers design batteries to retain a substantial portion of their capacity for several years. Swappable batteries offer an innovative solution, allowing drivers to easily replace depleted batteries at specialized charging stations, avoiding lengthy charging times. With a seamless automated process, drivers can swap their depleted battery for a fully charged one within minutes. This efficient solution not only eliminates range anxiety but also enables continuous driving without extensive charging delays. The significance goes beyond convenience. Battery swapping technology plays a pivotal role in reducing carbon footprints by facilitating rapid battery exchanges, which in turn reduces energy consumption and promotes the utilization of renewable energy sources. Additionally, this technology encourages the recycling of batteries and extends their overall lifespan, thus actively contributing to environmental protection. By prolonging the lifespan of electric vehicles and minimizing the necessity for new vehicle production, we can collectively cultivate a more sustainable future. As technology advances and the need for effective charging solutions increases, there is a growing possibility of electric cars adopting swappable batteries, similar to the trend seen in phones. This potential revolutionary shift reflects the evolving landscape of electric vehicle technology and the demand for more efficient and convenient charging options. Stay tuned as we witness the transformative potential of swappable electric vehicle batteries. The future of automotive technology is on the horizon, and we're here to keep you informed. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on the evolving world of battery technology.